Unit 4, List 4, 6.3, CKLA, Spelling List, Review, oi, aw, flashcards, word search, dictation, fill in the blank, linked below. Stay to the end for a dictation, fill in the blank, and word search. Test your knowledge. Learn these words perfectly, and never forget, the learning is in the work. Free flashcards here. 1. Sharp, S-H-A-R-P, sharp, a sharp knife. 2. Fern, F-E-R-N, fern, the green fern zoo. 3. Start, S-T-A-R-T, start. 4. Spoil, S-P-O-I-L, spoiled strawberries. 5. Verb, V-E-R-B, verb. 6. Shark, S-H-A-R-K, shark. 7. Crawl, C-R-A-W-L, crawl. 8. Because, B-E-C-A-U-S-E, because. Turn off the video, listen to the audio, test your knowledge, learn these dictations perfectly, and never forget, the learning is in the work. The shark ate the spoiled strawberries with his sharp teeth. The shark ate the spoiled strawberries with his sharp teeth. The shark ate the spoiled strawberries with his sharp teeth. His sharp teeth. Number 1, fill in the blank. He ate cookies because he was hungry. 2. Sharks have sharp teeth. 3. The baby crawls. 4. The green plant is a fern. 5. Sharks swim in the ocean. Can you find these words in this word search? I can see the word sharp, spoil,